Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to log out of the Shop app. Whether you are switching accounts, sharing your phone, or just want to keep things secure, this guide will help you out. So let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Shop app. Make sure you're logged in. And make sure you are on the home screen where you can see your orders or saved items. At the top right corner of the screen, you will see the profile icon. Tap on it. Inside your profile page, look for the settings gear icon or the option labeled settings. This will open up all account related options. Near the bottom, you should see sign out or log out option. Tap on it. And a confirmation box will appear asking if you are sure you want to log out. Tap sign out again to confirm. If you plan to log back in, make sure you remember the email address you used for your Shop account, since login works through email verification codes. And that's it. That's how you log out of the Shop app. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.